Life is full of unexpected challenges that can change our lives forever. COVID-19 is a constant part of our daily lives now, presenting us with new responsibilities. People are keeping their distance from one another, but are still growing closer. Protecting our own health and that of the people around us is one of our key tasks right now. Cutting-edge hygiene concepts can help us overcome this challenge together. That's why the team here at Ottobock works every day to deliver innovative solutions for maximum health protection for patients, technicians, and therapists. We are standing by your side in times of crisis, while keeping the proper distance, of course. Ottobock. Human, reliable, inventive.